and all faculty members. Thanks to me, I already introduced myself. My name is Dr.S.Sivankalai, Librarian in the PSNCET library. Now we will discuss improving scientific research productivity of faculty members. That is, first of all, we are everything do that depending on the research faculty members. Now, first of all, here are here are the research practice and tips to help to improve your research and writing skill. First of all, we started the start board. How can we have start board joined into the specific? The research is a big task of the faculty members and the research scholar and the students. So it can be otherwise they to take where the start. It is nothing to wrong. The basic internet search to get your started your research areas. Examples like Google and Wikipedia, so many websites is available. You can find your resource areas. Examples, brief history and key points on the basic topic related. Then you can collect the research areas. You can learn how to recognizing a quality resource. The quality resource, not every resource is reliable. So it is a critical that you can recognizing the good resource from the non-source good of ones to determine a reliable source. You will need to use your analytical skill and critical things and ask yourself for following questions. That is the questions, does this source agree with the other source? You have the found. The others can expert the particular field. You know the expert the field, you can easily find the analytical skill of your areas. Then the verify information from several sources. You have the internet, a big place, and for the most part, anyone can say whatever they want online. But many websites don't evaluate the content for truthful accuracy. This means that is there are sufficiently of unreliable source out of there, and even many that are outlined incorrect. The best way to come back in this make of sure whatever you find in your research, several different sources can found the internet. At the same time, be open to surprise answers. That is the researchers, if you open mind, you can go to the deeply got the good answer from the end of users. We will go to the collect the research. The research questionnaire or something, we have collect the data. The data we have do the end user. End user give to this some additional points that we are open mind. Without open mind, we didn't get the good result. We are open mind the researcher. We have got the new idea from the other side. At the same time, another one the stay organized. We have collect the data. We have keep the separate folder your computer on your home or your department. Stay the different organization of your data. We will go to the collect the information or experimental related or the survey method related. Any data we can keep the separate. That is, we have didn't organized. We done the research work. We didn't give the citation. We have already mentioned the code of the particular areas in the literature review. We didn't the documents. We didn't put the citation. That time we have facing the some problems. Another one, the take advantage of library resource. That is the students level, the UG students level. If you do the project, if you one or two books refer, he done the something, so copy and paste and something do the project work. If your previous project work modify, something do work. But the research people, the faculty members, they are depending on the more collected the resource. Examples, the previous Jason sir told that we have collect the 200 papers or a literature review. We have read all the papers. we can done the simplify or one or two paragraphs. That is one of the tech advantage. You can go to the library. Library, so many resources available, printed journals available, books are rare books are available, on online databases are available. That is one of the big advantage of library resource. Then research methods. Everybody know that the research methods, the experimental research. The experimental methods involve manipulating one variable to determining a change in one variable case, change into another variables. At the same, the survey method, another one thing. The survey method, we will do that. We will framing the questionnaires. The questionnaires we have framing. After that, we collect the end of user or other people. So at the same, the interview methods. Interview methods, you ask to the questions directly. Otherwise, we create the questionnaires. We can collect the data. The case studies. The case studies are research methods that is has commonly used in social science. Case studies are based on the in-depth of investigation of a single or individuals, group, or even of explore the case of underlying the principles. The fourth one, the participant or non-participant observation. We will show that the participant non-participant observation is one of the scientific methods. The outline of scientific methods. First of all, we will do that the research evaluation on the scientifics. Another one thing, the scientific data source. Another one thing, scientific indicator and tools. Scientific analysis of science and technology. The recent development in scientifics. We will see that the 5 points. The research evaluation. We will do the research why, what, and how. Why we evaluate all the field sponsorship is available, funding agencies available. The funding agency, some people know that this kind of funding agency. Funding agency also we can capture to the evaluate of the scientifics. Everybody know that the topmost, the established funding agency. Some people, the expected is know that, but the beginning peoples, the beginning funding agency, we didn't know that. We will do the scientific. We will easily capture to the sponsorship or funding agencies on the distribution of articles. But so many articles is available in the scientifics. That is, we have easily identified which how many articles founded the distributed the authors or journals or countries or funding agencies. We have easily found the evaluate. The analysis of the overall, the year wise we have analysis and single otherwise and double otherwise, more than 3 otherwise we will analyze for the evaluate. Accountability. How can we have using for that? How many citations? How many H-index? How much impact of the particular journals we can accommodate accountability for evaluation. What do evaluate? We have do that the country wise. The country wise we have evaluate for the each category of articles, not only the country wise, the corresponding others, the collaboration of others. One people staying in India, another people staying in the UK. The two people collaborate for the one articles, one or more articles. We have easily identify the scientific analysis. Another one thing, the research institutions. The institution wise we have found that examples we have collected the IITs. The IITs, the 13 IITs there we have everything. IITs is separate for the which kind of IITs focus on nano field, which kind of IIT focus on nanoscience, nanotechnology, other machine learning areas. We have easily identified through the scientific analysis. At the same time, another one, the research group. We have do that research group for the country collaboration. But here we have easily identify the research group of subdomain of institutions. Some institutions available, University of Madras. There is some people didn't mentioning for the University of Madras, some school of biology, school of chemistry, school of physics. We have easily identified the group of subdomains. At the same, the individual researchers. We have found that individual research also we can evaluate the scientific analysis. Another one, how to evaluate. We have the expert judgment of through the sum of the manual judgment. Example, time series and the probability statistics. That best we can expect. That is one of the expert judgment of the scientific analysis. But now we have using for the scientific for so many software tools we have using. Now depending on the formulas we have using for the some softwares. Leiden manifest is told that is a 10 principle of principal responsible use of scientific in research estimated. Is using for the 10 principles used by research institution to develop internal policy for use of scientifics. We have follow the 10 principles for each and every institutions that automatically the institutions well published the uh, impact fact journals or well done the publications. The kinds of databases available, two kinds of databases available. One bibliometric data source, another one cyanometric data source. The bibliometric data source are available in the different areas. They are containing bibliographic information, title of article, journal name, author, date of publication, volume and issue, page number, and etc. That is available for the chemical abstract. Then the chemical abstract is available for only bibliographic database. Another one EI Computex in engineering bibliographic database published by elsewhere that we are calling for the village engineering. Another one for MathSciNet. This one is only specific for the mathematics databases, bibliographic database available. We have utilizing for the this one of the database. Another one ERIC, Educational Research Information Center. The research center is available all the research education related database. Another one Proport, Lisa. Another one Inspects available. And the last one, the PubMed is one of the PubMed is a bibliographic database available. The scientific database is available. The scientific data source is available for. The mainly we focus on Web of Science. The Web of Science is the most scrutinizing for the lot of articles. That is the quality journal article only is published to the Web of Science indexed journals. The Web of Science, if any publishers conduct with the Web of Science, the Web of Science is analysis to the editorial team of analyzing for the particular journals. How can the impact have? Which one is previous articles is read to the particular team. If you evaluate the particular journals, the good journal means you give the indexing. With the Web of Science platform, you can access a universal breadth of world-class research literature linked to a careful selected the core journals. Consider the multiple citation index, uh, science citation index expanded, social science index, and arts and humanities citation index, emerging source citation, conference proceeding citation index, and book citation index. All the indexed to content selected by editorial team, development teams selected all the content. The another one index database, the Scopus, we are calling the elsewhere publisher. The Scopus is a large abstract and indexing database for peer-reviewed literatures. The content selected by content selection and advisory board. The Web of Science collaborative analytics. The Web of Science core collections. The evaluation, how can we evaluation? The quality and impact of criteria. Two criteria is available. One of the emerging, I have the emerging source of citation I have told. The two another one the core collections. Science citation, social science citation index, and arts and humanities citation index. That is index is using for the gain impact. After that is the indexing journals, indexed journals, the quality of research. Then after that, if you're not quality, is lose the journals. Example, now I will set so many is a restriction for some limited articles on journals. One issues maybe 10 to 12 articles accepted. But now the pandemic, so many journals, Indian so many journals out to the Web of Science and the combination of two data, Web of Science and Scopus, over the publication in different data sources, 1996 to 2019, the core collection of Web of Science. If you see that, that is the Scopus few percentage of 44.9. At the same, this figure also 44 into 9. At the Web of Science here is 41 to 42.1, but the denomination is here is increased overlap of Scopus 57.9 m. This overlap of Scopus, that is one of the highest literature, highest evaluating for the research. The scientific data source content is a continuation. The PubMed. The PubMed is one of the freely access resource. We have do that. Web of Science and the Scopus. We have subscribed the particular database. We will download the data. We will analysis to the different tools for some different formulas. We can do the publication for the science, all the reputed journals. But Web of Science, the PubMed is only the free accessible data. No need subscription. You can go to the PubMed website. You can download which select the topic. I have already told the first slide. That is sorting your board off, then joining the specific. You can go to the select the topic. The topic you can mentioning for the search engines. You can select for whatever maybe. How searching data science means data science related articles. Then PubMed is purely available in for health related natural science. Okay, but this is some engineering data is also available. The access to research, grant, publication, and citation on clinical trials, patents, and the policy document in one place. Based on the cross reference on the government data, entries with the data from publishers. The content selection by end users. That's why I have already told. You can select your topic. You can download the data. You can go to the analyst for the different database. The software is available. I will tell the later the software. The basic web interface of freely accessible data is freely available for scientific research. The another one index, the Google Scholar. The Google Scholar is not the big data is available, the most comprehensive scientific data source, the low data quality and easily manipulated. The no possibility for large scale data access. That is one of the beginning of the Google Scholar. If you know available the data, you want to see the your index, H index, your I10 index, whatever maybe, you can go to the your login to Google Scholar. Easily you can identify your H index, your I10 index. How many citations do the your research? Another one, the data is available scientific data, Microsoft Academic Grants. The data can be accessed through the API and Microsoft Azure. ODC by license free share and create and adapt as long as your aptitude. This one of the scientific data source, another one, the data world. This one of the data world is available in the different countries, not only for I have mentioning for data world slash data sets slash India. The India data only I have searched this database. But the world whole the data is available. Health related data is available. Engineering related data is available. How many people migrated to one place to another place? All the data is available in the world data. This one open source, not only the subscription. Another one the data.gov.in. The data government India data is available. For the statistical report is all the statistical data is available. We can download the CSV file. We can upload the software. We can easily framing the tables. We can do the interpretation. We can easily publish to the reputed journals. At the same, the Tamil Nadu data is available. Another one, ml-india.org data set is available. The state news on the data is available. Sites here X, This also engineering related data is available sites here. Gaggle dataset. The Gaggle dataset is available for Gaggle is one of the best data set is for the all the world also. Now itself, so many people is using for the Gaggle data set. The scientific in IEEE published. You can see that previously Jagan sir told that director only the scientifics in the library science field. But I am also thinking for before the 5 years, the scientifics one of the library field, but scientifics not a library field. You can check for the IEEE website and other database. So many people are engineering, mechanical, or computer science, or electrical, and environmental engineering, and aeronautic, and so many people published to the scientifics. You done the PhD, you do the research work, you can easily identify. You have do the scientific, you can go to the next generation of researchers. How many people aware of which kind of journals, the better journals, impact fact. How many people know aware of that? This area highest produced the other articles. Examples, machine learning. Machine learning, computer science. How many people know that machine learning related articles? They can go to the particular database. They can easily identify. Here the IEEE published in the scientific related papers. The conference 136, the journals 19 journals, easily access article 5. The easily access article means the open source articles. The 3 books scientific related is available. 1 magazine is also available. IEEE digital library. At the same, the scientific in Science Star published is a 2,970 article published in scientific related in Science Star. The 2021 37 articles, 2020 390 articles published to the scientific related articles in Science Direct. At the same, the Springer link also is published the scientific related articles. You can check 3,066 articles published in Springer link. At the same, the articles, you can see that 2,537 article published, the book chapter 506, on the conference paper 184, on the reference work entry 22, the book one is available. And the discipline wise, I have saw that the computer science 2054 article published in Springer link, the medicine and public health 116, the physics 107, the social science 88, the engineering 86. The information storage and retrieval, the library science and the computer systems also more areas published to the scientific. So we will do that. The data world is available. You can go to the data world. 151 data is available through the statistics data, education related data, and other data is available. You can download the CSV file. You can do that Python software or MATLAB software. Some other open source software is available. I will show that. The data science indicator and tools. The analysis tools in scientific, various software tools of scientific analysis like by Excel. This is one of the open source. You can just download the data. You can tap to the open the particular folder. If you automatically ask to the which kind of data you need, yearly wise if you need, or otherwise if you need, publisher wise if you need, or which kind of need, you can select your compatible for your research. At the same, the site space. The site space is due to the default format and the graphical format also is provided. Another one, the hit sets. The hit sets is published from the elsewhere. This is one of the open source. The first of all, this is all the scientific and bibliometrics using for the hit set software. Now itself, all of you, so many people developed C++ and Java oriented. Another one, the MATLAB also. The MATLAB also is providing the matrix. If you know the MATLAB, you can install your systems. You can download the data. You can easily framing the tables. You can do your research work. At the same time, the Python also. The Python also is providing the different level of analysis or time series and year wise and everything to the Python software. The R software. The R software is providing so many tools is providing to the R. The R Studio is available. So many tools you can apply to just our research to the download the data. Without download data, we didn't done. But everything CSV file if we need. Another one, the Scholar Meter. The Scholar Meter also is available, but I am not worked in Scholar Meter. So that software is available. I have done to the Excel and SiteSpace, HitSpace, MATLAB, and Python or softwares. Another one, the VOC Viewer tools for construction and visualization of bibliometric network. The one country to another country, the co-accuracy, and then a lot of diagrams providing the views viewers. At the same, the SiteNet Explorer tools also visualizing and analyzing citation network for publication, etc. and the discussion. The Hutch index. So how many people know that the Hutch index? The Hutch index is very simple calculation. The guide of calculating Hutch index measured other matrix. I have saw that here are the first tables, the year of publications, the rank by citation count, the citation, and then Hutch index, citation count value equal to rank value. Examples, the X or Y. We will do that. The authors published 2011 one articles, cited this one 2002 some citation. At the same, we will calculate the Hopkins Hutch index. How many articles published? How many citation? Examples, he published 10 articles, but 7 articles is citation 7 times. That is, we have calculated the Hutch index. 10 examples, you have cited 10 articles 10 times. You have Hutch index for 10. Examples, another one examples I have to do here. Here is he got the 10 times, but he got the Hutch index the first years 2001 450, the second year 2002, 2003, 2004, but he got the 5. 2005 is got the 7 Hutch index, but he got the Hutch index for 5. Example, he's do that 5 times for the Hutch index, the level of matrix. At the same, here another one table. In the same tables I have repeated here. He's got the 5 times the say 2006. Here 6 for another one got the Hutch index. Here Hutch index for 6. This is one of the matrix. How many articles you published? How many times you have indexing for your articles? This is one of the Hutch index. Another one G index. This one of the Hutch index is different. The G index is different. That is Hutch index. How many articles published? How many times? That is one of the matrix level. The G index, total number of citation. Examples, I saw that here you have see that this one 15, 10, 7, 4. This is one of the total number of citation 36. But he got the Hutch index for the G index for 36. This is one of the G index value. At the same, you do that M index available. M index, total number of citation, public value. That is one of the Charles Robert Travis. He is published 1892, 1882. Got the citation more than 1 lakh citation, but he item in the 62. Item index, how can we calculate your citation? Your all the citation. How many one your Hutch index 1, 100 citation in your Hutch index 10. That is one of the calculating for the item index. The general impact factor. The general impact factor, last 2 years I have calculated here. The sites in 2022 item published. 2019 263, 2018 374. Total number of publications in the 2 years 637. The same number of items 42. That is total number of items published 104. The calculation citation to recent items 637 divided by 104. That is one of the particular journal impact fact 6.125. This is one of the we have calculated for particular journals impact fact. At the same, you are that is you can using for the impact fact only the journals. This one of the citation I saw that from the Python software. Year-wise cited title from the Python software. That is one of the years 2016, 2018. Each titles for the where is the current research in blockchain technology. 2016 we got there is got it 451 citation, the highest citation. The Python software, few other softwares due to the Python also providing. We have done that the top 5 journals, top 5 titles on the top citation. This titles till now didn't got it the citation. That is one of the NAN. This is one of the Python software for that. You can, if you want top 10 journals means you can write the program. The Python, if you write the program without program, you didn't execute the program. If you saw that year wise top 10 years, top 10 hierarchy of citation articles. This one for authors. I have mentioning for the authors, the country wise, the corresponding others. The USA, almost every journals we will do that. The USA almost 80% of USA got the highest published the articles. Other some areas, some areas India and China and German also occupy. But I have done the blockchain market. If you done the article published 502 is a SCP, single country publication. This MCP, multi-country publication. The single country publication is 459, but multi-country publication is not doing the collaborate published the articles. At the same, you can see that the highest produced for the United Kingdom, the highest multiple author do the publications. This kind of we have to do the each and